Measure the power in three-phase circuit using 2 wattmeters method. Hello everyone, I am Charumati and I will be guiding you throughout this exercise on behalf of NIMI. In this exercise, we are going to learn to measure the power in three-phase circuit using 2 wattmeters method. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to connect 2 wattmeters in three-phase circuit and measure power and also to calculate power factor. You may already be aware of the various analog and digital measuring instruments. Wattmeter is one such measuring instrument which we are going to make use of to measure power in this exercise. Now let us take a look at the tools, equipment and materials needed to do this exercise.
Tools or instruments required are wattmeter, 500 volts or 5 amperes, 3 kilowatts to numbers. MI voltmeter 0 to 500 volts 1 number. MI ammeter 0 to 5 amperes 1 number. Insulated cutting plier 150 mm 1 number. Screwdriver 150 mm 1 number. Connector screwdriver 100 mm 1 number. Equipment or machines required to do this exercise are 3-phase 415 volts AC induction motor 3 HP. Materials required are ICTP switch 200 watts 250 volts lamps 3 numbers. 100 watts 250 volts lamps 3 numbers. Connecting leads as required. Pendant holders 6 amperes 250 volts 6 numbers. 5 amperes fuse wire 1 number. PVC cable 48 bar 0.2 mm 10 meter. Are you aware that in electricity, the phase refers to the distribution of a load? The alternating current power supply can be classified into single-phase supply and three-phase supply. In single-phase circuit, there will be 2-wire, alternating current power, and only a minimum amount of power can be transported. Whereas, the three-phase circuit system is an economical way of bulk power transmission, which delivers power at a steady, constant rate. Residential homes are usually served by a single-phase power supply, while commercial and industrial facilities usually use a three-phase supply. Wattmeter is used to measure the power in an electrical circuit. Now that you must have got the basics, let us move forward to measure the power in three-phase circuit using 2 wattmeters method and calculate power factor. Task 1. Measure the power in three-phase circuit using 2 wattmeters method and calculate power factor. Form the circuit by connecting an ammeter, voltmeter, 2 wattmeters and three-phase load as per the circuit diagram. While making connections, keep the ICTP switch in open position. Make sure to connect proper ranges of meters suitable for the given load. Switch on the three-phase supply and observe for the proper deflection of wattmeters. If both wattmeters deflect properly, read wattmeters W1 and W2 and record in the table. Add the readings W1 and W2 and record the total power. Suppose any one wattmeter deflects in the reverse direction, switch off the supply. Change the connection of the potential coil of the reverse deflection wattmeter. Switch on the supply and read the wattmeters W1 and W2. Record the values in the tables. Record the readings of the wattmeter with the changed potential coil as negative quantity. Once you have the wattmeter readings at hand, we are going to measure the three-phase power for different load conditions one by one. Follow the procedure to connect the circuit carefully and do the same. Connect lamp load of 300 watts in each phase and measure power. Connect induction motor 3 HP on no load and measure power. Calculate the power factor in all the above cases and enter them in the table.
We have come to the end of this lesson. Thus, in this exercise, we have also learned to connect 2 wattmeters in 3-phase circuit and to measure power and calculate the power factor. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you all and see you in the next video.